English Kazakh past to be, I was equals.
Men yedim.
Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey friend, welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more goodies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll conquer the Kazakh past, to be quick, fun, and a little goofy to keep you smiling. Your goal today. By the end, you can say who was what, when, and where, like a time travel detective. Target forms. I was.
Men yedim.
You were, SG.
Sen boldun.
He was.
Ol boldu.
She was.
Ol yedi.
It was.
Ol boldu.
We were.
Biz yedik.
You were, place.
Sender yedingler.
They were.
Olar boldu.
Form tour, with a smile. Repeat after me. Rhythm helps memory and makes your brain dance. I was.
Men yedim.
You were, SG.
Sen boldun.
He was.
Ol boldu.
She was.
Ol yedi.
It was.
Ol boldu.
We were.
Biz yedik.
You were, place.
Sender yedingler.
They were.
Olar boldu.
Mini dialogue. Listen to this tiny scene and echo the Kazakh parts. A. Who was at home at 8? B. I was.
Men yedim.
A. And him? B. He was there.
Ol boldu.
A. How about her? B. She was calm.
Ol yedi.
A. The meeting? B. It was yesterday.
Ol boldu.
A. As a team? B. We were ready.
Biz yedik.
A. Your group? B. You were the stars.
Sender yedingler.
A. And the guests? B. They were on time.
Olar boldu.
Call and response drill. I'll cue in English, you answer in Kazakh. Say it out loud. Prompt. I was the student. Answer.
Men yedim.
Student. Prompt. You were, SG, brave. Answer.
Sen boldun.
Battle. Prompt. He was at home. Answer.
Ol boldu.
Uj. Prompt. She was happy. Answer.
Ol yedi.
Bakiti. Prompt. It was a good idea. Answer.
Ol boldu.
Zaksi oj. Prompt. We were the winners. Answer.
Biz yedik.
Zenimpazdar. Prompt. You were, place, amazing. Answer.
Sender yedingler.
Karame. Prompt. They were quiet. Answer.
Olar boldu.
Tennis. Culture tip. Quick note on nuance to sound extra natural. In Kazakh, you'll hear both the copula pattern, like,
Yedim yedik.
and the verb, to be, happen.
Boldu.
For states or descriptions you'll often hear,
Ol yedi.
while events and timing love.
Ol boldu.
Don't sweat it, exposure tunes your ear. Speed quiz. Rapid fire. Answer fast, I'll give you a beat to reply. Translate. We were. Answer.
Biz yedik.
Closing parenthesis. Translate. You were, plural. Answer.
Sender yedingler.
Closing parenthesis. Translate. He was. Answer.
Ol boldu.
Closing parenthesis. Translate. She was. Answer.
Ol yedi.
Closing parenthesis. Translate, it was. Answer.
Ол болды.
Closing parenthesis. Translate, they were. Answer.
Олар болды.
Closing parenthesis. Translate, I was. Answer.
Мен едім.
Closing parenthesis. Translate, you were. Singular. Answer.
Сен болдың.
Closing parenthesis. Final challenge. Time travel diary. Speak each line in Kazakh. Yesterday at 8 p.m., I was at home. Say.
Мен едім.
Uj. At the concert, you were, SG, the best. Say.
Сен болдың.
N. Uzdik. At that moment, he was ready. Say.
Ол болды.
Dajan. She was calm and kind. Say.
Ол еді.
Saberli re Mahiramdi. It was yesterday. Say.
Ол болды.
Keys. We were the team on stage. Say.
Біз едік.
Sanada. You were, place, our heroes. Say.
Сендер едіңдер.
Bizden Batarlarimiz. They were already inside. Say.
Олар болды.
Isnday. Goodbye. Nice work, your past tense superpowers just leveled up. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing your
Мен едім. Сен болдың.
and friends every day. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.